Hey guys, today we're going to do 9.8. So today we are going to get one more and one less again, except these numbers are going to be bigger than 10. They're going to be our teen numbers. Okay, so remember this is one less and on the side it's one more. So we're going to get two tens frames. So if you need to, go ahead and go get your tens frames, your two tens frame work practice sheet, and you can get counters to help with you with that. Okay, or you can follow along with Miss Keegan and help me fill this out. Okay, so we're going to start with 19, okay, and we're going to get one less. So what we need to do is set up our tens frame. We know that the top one is all going to be all filled in because we have 110, because it says 110 right here. So let's go ahead and just fill this in with our counters. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill it all in real quick. And we're always going to leave this one alone. We're not going to do anything with it, okay? We're always going to have 10. This one will never, ever change. So let's leave it just as 10. So we want 19. So we need 10. So we need 9 more. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so now we have 19, and it's asking us for one less. Now remember, less means take away. We want to get rid of it. So it's one less. So we're going to take one away. So let's see how many we have left. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we're going to put an 18 here. A 1 and an 8. So that's like we're counting. Ready? 18, 19, so that's what we're going to do. We're counting. All right, 17. We need one more. So how do you count? You can start at 17 and go 17, 18, right? That's how we count. So 16, 17, 18. So, but if you can't do it by just starting at 17 and getting one more, we can go ahead and come over here to our tens frame. Okay, right now we know that there's 18. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so we want one less, right? So we're going to go ahead and take away, we want 17. So now I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, it wants one more. So I'm going to put one back, okay? So let's go ahead and count it. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So in our box, we're going to go ahead and put 18, a 1 and an 8. Make that S and go back home. Okay, now there's 13. We're going to get one less. So you're going to count back one. So what we can do is on our tens frame, we have 10, but now we need 13. So I'm going to make sure that we make 13. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, it wants one less. So we need to take one away. So I'm going to take this one away. Let's count how many we have. 10, 11, 12. So we're going to go ahead and put a 12. And remember, a 12 is a 1 and a 2, not a 2 and a 1, but a 1 and a 2. Okay, so see, 18, 19, doesn't that make sense? 17, 18 makes sense. 12, 13 makes sense, right? So now let's go ahead and do 15. Okay, it wants one more. So I'm going to put 10. There's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now it wants one more. So I'm going to go ahead and put one more on here. Oh, got a little dirt there. All right, there's one more. Let's count it. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in this box, we're going to get a 16. And 16 is a 1 and a 6. And you can also do it by counting. Remember, 15, 16? Okay, let's go ahead and do this one, 18. And then I'm going to have you do this one, okay? So it's one more and one less. So I'm going to give you a few seconds to do one more and one less, and then we'll do it on our tens frames together to see if you got the right answer. Go ahead and try it. Okay, let's go ahead and see if we can do it. Let's go ahead and do 18 and get one more. So right now, I know that I have 16. Here's 17, 18. Okay, so it wants one more. So I'm going to add one more, and let's count it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. But some of you can just look at that and go, oh, that's 19, which is a good thing. If you can't do that yet, that's okay too. So here's 1 and a 9. Make a circle and come straight down. Make sure you watch that 9 so it doesn't look like a P. All right, so there's 19. Okay, now we need to do 11 and get 1 less. So I'm going to need 11 counters. So let's go ahead, and this is way too many. So we got to get rid of some of these. I'm going to clear them off. All right, we want 11. So there's 10 and 11, and it wants 1 less. So I'm going to take 1 away. How many do we have left? Just the 10. So 10 is 1 less than 11, and 10 is 1 and a 0. You guys know that. All right, let's do these ones. There's 1 less, 1 more, 1 less. I'm going to give you a few seconds to go ahead and do those, and then I'm going to see if we did it the right way. So go ahead and try it on your own. Okay, let's do it all together. All right, here's 14. We want 1 less. Right now we only have 10. So here's 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now we want 1 less. So I'm going to take 1 away. So let's count it. 10, 11, 12, 13. So we're going to go ahead and put a 13 here, a 1 and a 3. All right, let's go ahead and do 1 more. So we need 16 counters. So we got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, now we want 1 more. So I need to put 1 more on here. Let's count it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And 17 is a 1 and a 7. So 1 and a 7. Make sure you watch your 7. Sometimes you go the other way. All right, let's do 15 and get 1 less. So wait, now we got too many, so we need 15. So I'm going to put 1 more right there. I'm going to get rid of these ones. All right, so now we have 15. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and it wants 1 less. So I'm going to take 1 away. Let's see how many we have left. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we're going to put 14, a 1 and a 4. All right, so now we have 14. That's 1 less. Okay, now you are going to try to do 17, 1 less, 14, 1 more, 18, 1 less. So less, more, less. I'll give you a few seconds to try those ones, and then we're going to go ahead and try them together. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and try it. Okay, so 17, we want 1 less. So we need 17 counters. Right now, we only have 14. So here's 15, 16, 17. Okay, so we want 1 less. We're going to take 1 away. So there we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 1 less is 16, and that's a 1 and a 6. Slant on down and give it a curl. All right, let's go ahead and do 14. We want 1 more. So what's 1 more? So right here, we know we got 16, so we got to get to 14. So let's get 14 counters. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now we want 1 more. It's asking for 1 more, so I'm going to put 1 more on there. Now let's count it. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we're going to write 15 in this box, a 1 and a 5. 1 down and around and give it a hat. All right, so now let's do 18. We're going to get 1 less. So let's, on here we have 15. Now we have 16, 17, 18. Okay, we want 1 less. So I'm going to take 1 away. Let's count it. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we're going to go ahead and put 17 here, a 1 and a 7. 1 and slide to the right and slant on down is 17. Okay, now let's do the last 3, okay? You want 1 less, 1 more, 1 more, one less, one more, one more. I'm going to give you a few seconds and go ahead and try those, and then we'll do them all together. Go ahead. Okay, let's go ahead and check it out, okay? So we're going to get one less than 12. So I need 12 counters. So let me take these ones off and get to 12. All right, so we have 10, 11, 12 counters. We want one less, right? So we're going to take one away. So let's count them now. 10, 11. So one less is 11, and that's a 1 and a 1. Okay, let's do 13. We want one more. So right now there's 11. So here's 12 and here's 13. Okay, we want one more. So I'm going to go ahead and put one more counter on. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Because we got one more, we're going to put 14 here. A 1 and a 4. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do 19. We're going to get one more. So we need 19 counters. Right now we only have 14. Here's 15. 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, 19. Now we have 19 counters. We want one more counter. So I'm going to put one more on here. All right, let's see. Look, 10, 20. We know that's a 10. We know this is a 10. So we don't have to go 1, 2, 3. We don't have to do that. You know, 10, 20, 10, 20. Just like us counting by our 10s and our 20. Our 10s up to 100. 10, 20. So we're going to go ahead and put a 2 and a 0. That's what 20 looks like, a 2 and a 0. So what we did, guys, is today we went one less and one more. Remember, less means take away. We take away that one, and adding and more means we add that one more on. So you guys did very good today. I'm proud of you with that. All right, we're going to go ahead and you'll see part 2 in just a little bit.